You want to make a strong first impression when applying to a job, so consider adding a summary to your resume. Sometimes called a professional profile, a summary highlights your most relevant skills and achievements, and can help convince employers to give your resume a closer look. Summaries should not be confused with objectives, which are 1 or 2 sentence statements that explain your career goals. In most cases, we do not recommend using objectives, because objectives focus on what you want, whereas summaries focus on what you can offer, which is far more interesting to employers. Summaries can be made in 2 different styles. You can use bulleted lists to showcase your experience, or you can use the paragraph format if you prefer a more personal feel. Summaries are popular because they let hiring managers find important information quickly. They're best suited for job seekers who have at least a few years of work experience and need to boil it down into an easily read format. When placing your summary, you should put it at the top of your resume, under your contact info so it catches the hiring manager's eye. Keep in mind that the summary is not required on a resume, so take the time to consider if it's right for you. With that said, a well-written summary can distill your work history into concise highlights, potentially adding clarity and value to your resume.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.